Take it.
Take it.
Take it.
Take it out.
Lesson 1. Google Sites. Google Sites is a helpful tool for both teachers and students to create portfolios to showcase project-based learning. It is also the perfect tool to collaborate in teams and showcase group project work. It is best practice to create a Google folder in your Google Drive to organize files and folders that you might be using in your Google Sites. Select New folder and title it. Feel free to provide a descriptive title. Select Create. Inside your Google Sites folder, select New, More, Google Sites. Title your Google Sites by hovering your mouse over the left side field. Feel free to take the tour if this is the first time that you're exploring Google Sites. You can also skip the tour and reference it later. This is only part 1 of the Google Sites series.